What's up, guys? So we're currently filming on my phone because my camera died and I did not film an intro. All of the details will be in the description box below. The look is super glowy, super bronzy. Then again, you know, it's super easy. If you're not already subscribed, my name's Melissa. Welcome to my channel. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. All right, so I toned my face with the Murad clarifying toner and I love it so much. I feel like it just clears out my pores and it tightens everything really good. I moisturized with my FreSet Deep Replenishing Serum, and I also got the Norvina by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't really played around with so many of the colors. If you guys haven't seen what the inside of this palette looks like, this is what it looks like here. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm gonna be prepping my eyelids with the Age Rewind, I believe this is Maybelline. This is what it looks like. Here, I've been kind of, you know, branching out into makeup a little bit more, so this is super fun to me that I feel like I'm so new to everything, but you know what, I'm just gonna roll with it. So I'm gonna be taking this Tarte brush. There's not a number on this because this came with like a holiday set that I was gifted to by my friends. If I find it, I will link it down below. Prepping the eyelids. I'm gonna do my eyebrows last. You know what sucks about filming tutorials like super late at night is that right after you film them, you have to wash your face off because you're going right to bed. My eyelids are prepped now. I think we're doing okay. So next for my base, this one kind of gives my eyes a little bit more of like a neutral color. I'm gonna be taking, this is again from Tarte. This was on their holiday collection. I believe it was for 2017. If I find it, I will link it down below. I'm gonna be taking Culture, which is the one that I have hit pan already here. And I am going to be taking my e.l.f. brush, and I believe this is a crease eyeshadow brush. Dipping this one in here and tapping off the excess, and I'm going to be putting this literally all over the lid. Moving on to the next eye, tapping off the excess, going right in there. I'm going to be going right into the Norvina palette. I'm going to go in with Incense, which is this one here, and I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M330. This one here, it's just a fluffy blending brush. Oh, there is a lot of fallout. There is a ton of product on this brush already, and I literally just tapped in it. We're gonna put this in our crease. I'm gonna go back and forth. And then what I normally do with my brush is I hold it towards the very end and very lightly with a light hand, you know, just go back and forth, and then going into the inner and then really focusing out on the outer. I feel like this doesn't really give me so much color payoff, maybe because I probably dusted off all the excess stuff. So we're going back in there. I'm gonna lightly tap, not so much, just so I can still, you know, get some product on there. Now we're talking. There, and then again the outer, and then just going into the inner and then going back and forth. Let's go this way. I like it. I really do. Oh, this is so pretty. It blends nicely. It's already giving that bronzy kind of like look I'm going for. Just kind of gonna go back in there and blend everything out a little bit more. So we're gonna go in with this one. Same thing that I did with the other ones. Yeah, it's really pretty. So same thing, focusing it on the outer corner, you know, very lightly. So when I was in middle school, I remember it was, I think it was 7th grade, and I would literally wear black eyeliner in my waterline. It would obviously make my eyes smaller than they really are, but I thought that it was so cute. And I have nothing on this brush. I'm just using the product that I already have on my eyes, and I'm just kind of blending everything out back and forth. I don't know if I'm supposed to be using different brushes, but I'm still using the same brush, so. But that's just me. I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not. That's what we're doing. That's what we're working with. So I'm going into summer. I'm tapping my finger into the palette, and here is what summer looks like on my finger. It looks gorgeous. Hope we don't get it there. Okay, so, oh, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna be grabbing a smaller brush, and I'm gonna be putting creamer in the center of that. But I grabbed it with my pinky just to get a little, hopefully I can get a little bit more color payoff. Up, and I think I did. Oh, my eye was open. I have so much fallout under my eye. Wow. I'm gonna be going back in with my Morphe M330. Incense and Eccentric. I'm gonna lightly tap into Incense, and I'm gonna lightly tap into Centric and over the glitter, just to kind of blend everything in nicely together. My Norvina palette just fell on the ground and a shadow cracked. Alright, pizza summer. I'm gonna be going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Put like a pea size amount. So I'm gonna go in my T-zone right there, my forehead, and then my chin. I'm gonna be using my Real Techniques brush, and this is the Expert Face Brush. I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 220. This has been my holy grail for, I don't know, the past year or so. I'm going to be bringing this down to my neck to kind of blend everything out, and that way I don't have any harsh lines. So I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Cabral, and I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush, and it has a spoolie and it has a really defined brush. I'm going to be doing these off camera and I will be right back. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to be popping in Dreamer into my inner corner. Going back to my broken Norvina palette. We're going to make it work. We're going to pop that in the inner corners of the eye. No. Putting that in my inner corners. So now we're going to be moving on to bronzer. This is the Beige Cosmetics 114, and I'm going to be taking, again, the Holiday Collection from Tarte. I'm going to be taking this bronzy color here, going in, getting enough product on here, and then just tapping off a little bit of the excess. I'm going to be starting in from my ear and then going down inward, but we're going to, you know, definitely get some warmth in my face. The next side, more product on the brush, tapping off the excess, and then we're going to be going in here. Putting more product on here, tapping off the excess, and then just, you know, bring it on the bottom here. Okay, so then we're going to be going onto my forehead too. I'm going to go ahead and be taking Ray right here. I'm going to be using the Morphe blush brush. There's no number on this. Tapping off the excess, and then putting this on my cheekbones. And then again, same thing with the next side, tapping off the excess, smiling, and then putting that on my cheekbones. Okay, we got a little bit of pink stuff going on. Actually, go ahead and go in with this one. I'm going to be using the Morphe M529 brush. And then we're gonna be glowing up our face. High points on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, and on my chin. It's so pretty. We're gonna be putting it on our forehead just a tad. I have found that when I'm putting highlight on and I'm breaking out, you do not want to put highlight where you're breaking out, because it does make your breakouts look so much worse than they already are. So I'm gonna go in with the foundation brush that I used to put on my foundation. I'm kind of just gonna blend my blush and my contour out. That way there are no harsh lines, and then kind of go over lightly, just a tad over the highlight on my nose. Alright guys, so last but not least, I'm gonna go in with mascara. I've been loving the Voluminous Lash Paradise by, I believe it's L'Oreal. Calls for some lower lash line action. So I'm gonna let them dry just a tad, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl them. That is it for this look. Looking bronzy and glowy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys till next time. Bye guys.